Aje. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Hey, we're along the road here, Mom. Yes, yeah, what me was.
Madam, beg, I want piece of body. Give me my bag, I beg. What? I beg, give me my bag. Are you afraid there?
Okay.
Where for?
Women issue. Well, no, it's leaving, now.
Thank you. Yeah, you're not able to make any here. Easy. Let's see. Let's see. Madam, what's happening?
Sorry?
You go to you work with mommy 3,000.
Check well.
I don't understand. You might understand you when you check well. You may check it now. You may check it now. Don't you think that you will
wait. What are you insinuating?
Like, I don't understand.
What are you insinuating? Like, I don't understand. I should be the one that really doesn't understand here.
Well, the woman is believable, mommy. Okay, won't believable, my gangster. See, my 3,000 they miss. Madam, give me money. They be that. Now use me play.
Hold on.
Hey.
Would you allow agree? I'll get more. Say just check well.
He may tell me when I wear. He go need you wear 3,000 naira. Hey, but okay, here right now, mommy go need. You go, mommy.
You are insane.
Eh?
You are.
Why am I not insane? I can't make where I'm young. I'm young. I'm not insane.
I'm going to the office.
Don't
you just don't.
Don't go. Make a come. Can't only fear what you're talking about. Back, come on, fuck.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, he's me play. Give me money. My money.
How much?
3,000 naira.
Hey.
You want me? Where you going? Only fear what you're
Hold
talking
on.
about.
I'm not sure I have up to 3,000 naira yet. I'm not sure I just have 2,000 naira.
2,000 naira. Yeah, manager.
You are a beggar.
You are a beggar.
You are a thief.
You are a thief.
You don't
like
like
thief.
You are a gangster. Hey, this guy is a thief. Jesus.
Hello. Hello, is that someone I know? Is someone?
Please. Remove your chin.
Fool, Mary.
Pull everything. Remove your chin.
That you are Bob, you said, yeah. Bruce, okay, can I go? Can I have one in? That's John.
Sister, now what's already? Understand?
Yeah. One when I die, I will carry relax.
then you will see what you are rushing really again. I'm going to say again. Now, can you tell me the nice one bonnie? You want one man ever. So, maybe I need a Kenyan regime. Probably back on the answer, only Capman. Now, tea. You make a pen of the let's say, Nazi, so you are over your way, value, you that man. No, I can't. We'll see. I'll go for now. What day is it? You know, for inconvenience.
Yeah, information.
Eh, what information I pass on here?
On the gate one that we man.
Okay.
Ticket. In your view to the moto, and I want the variant. Not the girl was there. Man, I do have flu. Ticket. You just hear a cover.
Go.
Ida. I'm with you. If you. Ida TV. You to boy off of war. I be called on mine.
I be my bar. Why over?
Yeah, Timo, eh? Talking on you.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah. Off of war. Yeah. But so much, yeah. But so what to tell us enough, yeah.
Oh, only me a cash and deliver.
Only we are allowed.
Problem error. They are preaching in a litter. I will find you something.
When you are them, go and try something. Try something.
Yeah. Nigeria police. They all come and will find me something. Oh, I know we business away in a town. No. I'll give you money. Where police? The police say no come out here. I will find you something.
Makaraba.
Yeah, what information minister, man.
In the mighty name of Jesus, everything go back.
Where? Me and I know where we go. Sorry, man.
Hey, what? What do you go now?
It's just hello, boy.
You are going to we have moto. What I know.
Ah, we not tired.
You go where you did make one look at tire. But you will have moto.
Me I have moto if I may have a dog way.
Oh God!
Yes.
Okay, what am I now? To get message to it. You only buy
Jesus Christ.
it. You are going
Where?
Aigbaekhoe.
Hey, we be try tell man of God, eh? Well, we be where you go get this thing we have in. You born for your
Jesus.
He didn't ya prepare for it.
Makaraba, shakaraba. Father Magana City.
Sister Cynthia.
Pardon.
Pardon. Yeah.
Epa.
Yes.
Who got a woman? Who wina. He can't me chance very only. He me understand. So on you see, man, I read on me way.
Yeah, I'm aware.
Who important thing here
because let me tell you what I do. I've been trying to meet with you when you way. But because of any type, because of time. I mean, why when we reveal the revelation of because Ega we pray with church, they also want to reveal them. Who is this beautiful girl? No, me what are you one way? Me only a boana. He do gay. Now this person must be Cynthia. One of the work is sure here for man. But thank God, we need you on your behalf. Meanwhile, even Osununa is from your working place. And we take family with you. You are too young. So for that reason, the solution of Saturday is that you need to undergo fasting and praying for good 30 days. Serious fasting and praying. Yes. Meanwhile, we are going to fasting now. Your 10% you can pay as your tax. So when you come on, you increase it to 30% because of and that 30% you are paying. You don't need to put it in offering box. You pay direct to the man of God so that he can he can hand over to Salobo.
30%.
Yes. Because there's your very close friend. This is your third friend in the person of Mama is too much. The kids.
Oh, wicked.
Only because of jealousy. Oh, devil. You know, somebody be man, you know, see, no wicked, you only I will tell you when you can, I will tell you. I will get to war, you win our wear. Eh, boss, why, you feel really what to a fine girl again. I'm say, oh, you got that jealousy, she wants you there. So, what was back with you?
Hey, Kate! You salopwa!
And those are the reasons you didn't ask you because I know it's very tight. But because you're going to get sick, I'll be praying for you on your behalf. But you still need to do the fasting and praying on your own for good 30 days.
Wow.
Your parents are about to almost the solution like that.
My own best friend.
That is it. No best friend, no brother, no mother, no brother in business. Meanwhile, because of time, yeah, I said, I need room there. I want to put my round. Try and follow it up. Don't fail with your 30% tithe.
Sister, I hope we know what do we know what the picture no man yeah, me carry we no man bad. It's trust the way, but man, we are 1 minute no wow. Anyway, I'm one with the picture. No difference. Oh, me carry boko with it. Trust the way is that. Me trust the way. What's on?
What by ya wa check how if we ma phone. I wa check
Judge moto na sound serious.
Oh, so the mama ya me ka mu we
It's a breakdown with that.
Oh, ya wa go wa check your pa.
Yes, corporate.
Come on here.
Corporate.
Jesus.
Hey, move on. Before when you were fast. You were. Hey, me on it. Okay.
Mama, what's on the way? Yeah.
Keep quiet. Move on. Keep silent. Go away. You do it.
No.
What very good.
It do one.
Você vai não?
Oni.
Vamos ver.
Oni.
Vamos para aqui, mana. Larga aqui. Sua moto na nakma.
Anyway, yeah.
Erigije.
Christy. When I hear about you, I defer Christy. I am boom.
That bomb if you will. Mena hinania. Walking was soon 1 year.
Christy. Anyway, yeah.
Viager.
Where am I? Let's keep moving now. I will be Johnny. You are just that.
Ija, Monica Jo. O meu woman gaia that boy feel hano salopwa ne ye do you salopwa gi fear that boy where ye. Oh yeah, he name Mose, oh yeah, he name one now, yeah, he ba.
Oh yeah, he knows to say. Go where you want to say.
Who send your day you are home?
Yeah. Who I want to say. Because you know what you want to say. Ah, what to say?
La wo go yo salopwa ya here. E do ne yerunina. Room tave no kwa miene na we mountain e you ahye. Amu monika wa loya. Iwa hinyeni ya fe. Ina mu igo ina ya mu yoto salobua. We le pastor me hai. Iwa ya mu ni go ina mu fiota. We no original nia. O salobua rie o dafime. Salobua me hiyon me. Nyon de luk mona ya me.
Wa onu mi odo so amu egbe nu ka amu egbe. Enu je na. Emi kiri we. Amu pa mi kiri we. So aduk monu ajo nu ka ajo. Because where is one? Only.
Memi odo, iye gwa lodo we a tell me kind back here well. Iwe gwa lodo we o salobua e oda fun me. Ye megi marry ni a. Ke gbe me no ki ya me hian e.
Christy. A u pasha wo nu je kedo ade. U ki ona mu ke pastor.
Mu yo ke pastor.
The pastor mi go pakiyo.
Then na we fast, then na neru. Ya ti ogun nu e papa na. Yeah, what's your gun with then in our room with Martin? Holy Ghost, hey! Every evil spirit around me, there, yeah, give boy. Ole, down on mama. I have seen the light of God. Oh, I have seen the light, oh, amen. I have seen the light.
Pretender, okay. Maybe pretender, but hell, yeah, can't back. What your way? Walk your way. You may need you wear that other way. What? Yeah, I don't need it. Listen.
Okay. You are blessed.
It's been a while. Do you know Bawe? Carry no silly. Now I'm not here when this is a cab walk. Surprisingly, or hammer where we wake up business.
Yeah, matani. So when you get a call, man, or to the glory of God, then I can where a wake up business. Now, man of God, so Salobo TV. Oh, more of it, you Salobo. So, man, work of God. To the glory of God, everything is moving on fine. Meanwhile, for a very long time, I but because of some reasons, I just pray that we're on a very good day. I am near very near so that I will tell you the revelation of Saba. Because my affair, no, I customer again. You know, Saba, why I tell you, the only revelation that I try to like pass it to them one after the other. Thank God they give me a better. Also, or the problem in America. I can see where, yes, there's some little problem in your workplace.
That's true, kind of. There's some little issues. And
also, where is responsible for it? You're very tired friend.
Yes.
No. Heck, how man of God is here? He are to tell us. Go. Also, when you can, you want you can. If you want the revelation to measure this person's name, I will tell you.
I have just one friend. That's my only friend.
Go. My God is faithful. My name, man of God, now. So I'm telling you what you don't know now. Man, I go sit at here. So, also when in at here, sit here in all the boa. She's interested in your position with him with Annie. Or we are when they are whoever we're on a very good day because we're a nice person. Here to recall back. But our own plan is near Boa. All the way to
6 years.
I've told you. I'm telling you what you don't know about yourself. When Mama division you don't have it.
Okay.
So you need to be prayerful. The Lord is with you. So you address one just that the church environment. We'll try to go let them so that I'll pray for you, okay? So that any weapon fashioned against you will not prosper. You don't fight with your enemy with bare hand. It's with prayer. Alright, take care.
share.
Akosa, where it's in it. Iya gele wa kan se do we o ta ri ya me wa. O sa do wa wa re na.
Wo ki wo sunu na la lo to egume kwa do agumegun a. Me na ya kun mi.
Christy, we no ka wari go wa ni be. Eno pa egba ku ye yan bo le. The condition we give ma. Ibere na condition we give ma. Gbe who done it? Iwa we enya. Iya pack me we ni bona.
La Lord o se gbo ma italeme e o si. Pastor megele what am I wear? And fasting iwa una with temptation our Larry. And now am I we pastor we are overcome e ona am I we. Ne no ma wa to la senyame. O wa ya senyame na mero. O we ni ge guegun. O we ni wa won agerun ta o wa gbe no hire me.
We ni we jina. Nu we re bo ka gba na. We no wu na. Christy, la wa ya ri go me.
La Lord ye ge me.
Mo ri eje to sona. Me no nya wa. Iba bo la we gbe. Boy person iba bo la wa iba gbe.
La Lord get your boy your ma o.
Iba bo la wa iba gbe.
Get your boy your ma o. Ima how we ya.
Igu we me ya bo wana Christy. Igu we me ya bo wana.
Cause your boy your ma o we. Ima how we ya go sa so ko pa no ri ye ge me la wo boy me ile mi we. Ri ye ge me.
Christy. Ibere we na condition we ri ma ye. Era bi you e o wa gbe. Ku ke jade by person ni. Wa ya o wa gbe Christy. Igu me ya bo wana. E ya bo asogbo a. O wi ya bo la we gbe a. Christy. O we me. Eni akele cha. We. Akwa yi gare. O mo na ni go wana me. Iye we ya ro wana. O wa da ni lai wana re.
O gbe ta ko yi mo na.
Akwa be you a. Muja gumere akwa. O mo na ni go wana me. Gumere akwa mo na ni me. Oye mani ana sile o ya kwa sile ya kwa na. Akwa be you a. Holy Ghost spirit ne. Baba o le wa pass egbe. Igu wa ya kwa na wa pass. Igu wa ya kwa na. Ko wa wa ko.
Esu odo we na. Epa esu odo we na.
Esu on we rabi ju Christy. Christy esu on we rabi ju Christy. Esu on we rabi ju. Akwa be you a ko. Akwa ko akon.
Awi overcome. Overcome. Salopua. Rieti me. Ni ya overcome se la lodina. Ime ya overcome suwe oni me Christy. E Christy na te yigo re. Oh, ya makome. Salopua ye we tu wa win na le dat bo me na. Ya le wu emi nu onu ya le wu. Salopua. Ami egbe boka wo.
I don't need you. I mean, I'm going to see. So,
You get what I don't understand.
what are you?
A problem is having with her now. Mad going so. And your pay wow ni.
Hey, boy, come
Really? Hey, Oma, and your pay wow ni. Boy, reason where? Boss here, but no that this your attitude. You've been putting it on for some time now. Oh, okay. Who sworn there for some time, but you matter no lamb. I didn't want it to get to me, you know. But anyway, Yahweh, now, I really want to know your reasons.
Hey, my sister, it will come my way. It will make your name way back here. It will look your way.
Just like
yes, my father was fine. Imagine the way. He may have said down him. Ah, and you my boy Barrowa. Yeah, my sister, just your boy. I don't need you.
Fine. Now, ogele wari ma, emi ni ahama me ni matejaji, ogele wari ma na we, ye. Ni ahama me so pa na we on se ne here ti agere na, but now I'm beginning to believe it. Where you gele waje because you've shown it all. Who were presented as that wicked person. You are wicked. Emi agie we.
Yes. Baby, no we go home. Imagine the way your boy. Oh my God. Ogele wa hin ruda emi ni mebe hon. Omo dan o hin my sister. E pretend that o wa hin. Imagine again you she. Ikin wa yo bo me wo go le fa wa lenu e. Ikin alo enu because omo dan o hin. I don't need you.
No problem.
Your boy.
You don't need me. I can stay without you.
Your boy.
Yeah, you me. So man. What? The problem is
Thank God where a prayer and fasting owner or day successful. Salubo me watch you good do your effort.
Salubo me we see. Salubo le pastor me we see. We see.
Me why? When one that go 21 days fasting and prayer and now when what my fool because enemy no me they buy problem no me or bolobo. So you know when I way a segment by segment I break it with the first stage in there. I will wanna for the banner I love it. But Osalobo I rush on and that is why I give you break.
I spirit down over on me Benin. No worry give wa me. Eya break and lose.
Amen.
Eya lose. Eya break.
So me why when I worry for the now. You start another fasting and praying a day Thursday, which is going to last 7 days.
7 days.
No, if you man. Oh no, no, ask when now. My work and by yes, but me why work here where we were there. Yeah, me I me over so I me opportunity to attend to other people. Who wait that 7 days in it? Yeah, a prayer appointment through phone call.
We say pastor, we say.
Talk about mommy.
We say pastor.
Thank God. Who come Salobo no ya we are a man of God the gbe me ye.
Salobo we say.
Oh Saba we hate pastors. Ye koko we ni me ye. Pastors ye koko. This ye koko ya side for.
Ew.
You get it man. But me why you know they were a seed of free no raw. No lele no e ka no my house I no go transfer is it a lot 21 days do back. No a lot. I feel Salobo for one night.
Hey, you get seed of free ni te wa mia. Iti wa mia ni na wa we fasting ni na wa we fasting mi ya no wa re me na wa format eru pa igare re me eru pa igare re me baby no iwa jena e phone ni meru wo ya waso wa na iwa with the transfer
go that make you a true child of God.
We see
how you know keko sabo no Salobo
we see
oni oge nu e ka oni 21 days wa here is oge the 7 days very Thursday egbe nu ya hasana o egbe nu we una ga business at here pay after service. It is called pay before service. Because I want to fail a business. Meanwhile, even when I pay, we always 7 days is 25,000. Pay first before Christmas fasting and prayer. You wanna pay me to work was about money.
A phone me, it was side became. If you are near me, and I met no sir.
Oh, I know most Salobo you go there. Yes. Oh, help a rapper with one. Who Sabagli where yes, woman no. Me why get fail when tiny. A transfer not only. I get because man of God is hungry.
Oh,
fellow. Peace of the Lord be with you.
Where's the pastor?
Get your turn. Get fellow.
Pastor, no, Salobo here what they buy. Oh, why ya me na ya?
You will be to the glory of God. Sabo is so kind. I will call you Bena. Sister Christy. You are blessed. May the peace of the Lord be with you.
Pastor,
No, Sister Christy. Damn home. When we are away fasting, it is only an attempt of I am with Jesus Christ. But because of being wise, I say, man, daily soon. At least we fasting up one. I know. Hey, no. Oh, how many I got boy? Get boy. Anyway. Me wa gwana me ware mate me wa be ndiru with you. Yes, we work close to Saba, but I had to money making here, one year ago, and he let it lie room or Salopua.
This year best at 12 o'clock you won't get so. Pastor Yahoo. You keep begging up, how are you very?
Salopua, how many Saba like Jesus?
Oh, my, what's the pastor, my?
All right, you are blessed. Thank you. All right. Someone has was why not break. No evidence to say no. My you go me wa break fast. What do about do it.
Christy, quoi? Allez, Christy. Allez, Christy. 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 On va bien le moi. Il me dit bon. Pasteur, il est facile. Il go salon pas avec moi. Tu es bien. What is that? Il me dit bon, il c'est ça tout. Il me dit bon, il a dit. I was on that's the bag. Sharon. Why Baron? Èmi agir non. Toi mi si ouais. Enia. Wa wa orere o. La goumé goin. Ai eze yo e wo pa no ni mo gbaro wa.
Hello? Ube yi no. What's me ajo se won no iwa ruwo ve. No go rubbish. Huh?
Yes. Yes. If I promise ça.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, c'est yes.
Bon sou no have no problem.
Prosimio. I moto ni wa la de. I ate do mi o wa. Ni moto. Ojina wa robi my eye.
Oh, very sad.
A phone me, handbag me, a bag of luggage. You know what you mean?
Oh.
Take a phone me. Wa give me na me what the strong day.
Ah, that's too bad. That's too bad. Did I know what you say? Okoro is very far from here now. Aigbaekhoe here now.
Aigbaekhoe?
Yes, now.
And a complimentary card in your quality address.
Oh, what do we do? I mean, we may this time they may come now, but let me see what I can do. We may, if I'm judging now, we are the motor out of the horror.
Plus, if I'm judging now, I say, I may have to cab.
If I'm judging, say, what to cab? Okay. Or you will man because a cab man he may tell me that home and me I want move to a mugari no horror, even if they say.
Bros, you never on so kumpa no ya come your one without.
What have you one?
Kill a cab.
They are man.
Bros, I join whether you add now. What you pay? What you pay?
Yeah, you pay it. In other words, or you walk by my yeah, get me suspect. Aigbaekhoe.
Bros, what you pay?
You what you pay?
Oh my bros, are you a business? Cook bread, do it.
So we also.
Rossi, do you very, do you very? This is going to go down.
I will let me go and sit down.
Eto is on me.
Where what you are here? What you make double the car?
All right.
Go. No, no, what you wear? Yeah, more reaction.
alors.
Vous bon, ah, il y a vous. Là, on va go, on m'a donné un quel âge?
Il y a 15 years ago. Il y a 20 work party.
Vous voyez que il n'y a pas 15 years.
15 good years.
Il y a Aigbaekhoe encore. Il y a maman, il y a
mais on a bon le demain. Au bowo on se loue.
Dominique.
On no wa de.
Otweni.
Moto.
Okay now. Okay now. Okay now.
Okay.
Okay now.
Ultimate.
We are here, I believe you are trying to.
Okay, ni metasi. O ma ya meji.
It's my yawa. We proof. Let me see proof now.
Come on. Ya snapping in the bowali. You may na ya meji. Well, what's in your ogile nebo?
Oh, yeah, snap. It's snapping.
Oh, ya snap ere. You may na mue.
You know, well, with the paper, we make it the paper. Reading here, anybody can everywhere. I'm not having it.
Adamio, in Hena, not saying Hena, no worry. No man,
because you beg, always sees place. You make it out what we told.
Yamu, no man, nada, Yame.
Oh, maybe
Yamu, there, the descended. I could tell you this.
Wally, put a hero, and Yai Pegane.
If I can't tell
you, you are kind of one. Put that. When we got the money, nothing. Wait, when we young, let me see it. I'm going to April. Let me see it.
How are you?
Thank you.